How to crop image in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to this Photopea tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can crop image in Photopea. If you are in a situation whereby you have added an image to your account and you're wondering how it can be cropped, I'll be putting you through how you can do that in this video. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser and then log in into your Photopea account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the you'll be brought to the new project page, of course, and then on this page you'll be brought to the last thing you did on Photopea. Now once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options such as files, edit, image, layer, select, etc. Then click on image. Once you click on image, in the box displayed you will see other options such as new, open and place, etc. Just click on open, and then once you click on open, you'll be redirected to your computer images. So the next is to select the image that you would like to crop. Once you've selected the image, click on open, and then the box would load and you'll see the image. And now once you see this image, the next thing for you to do is to crop it. And then to crop it, go to the left side of the screen where you can see a list of options, all right, such as the move tool, the lasso select, you can see the magic wand, and then you can see the crop tool. So you just click on it and then a box will be displayed. Then you select crop, and then you can now crop this image by long pressing and then shifting it to your desired choice. All right, so this is just how you can crop an image, and then once you're done, you click on delete crop pixels, or if not, you can uncheck the box and then click on this mark, and as you can see, the image has been cropped just like that. So go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.